For our statistical approach, we use different formulas. One of it is the standard deviation, which is this formula. The summation of square of each value of the population is minus with population of mean and divided by the size of the population. From the standard deviation, we gain 5 values of the 4 different values for budget, revenue, vote, and popularity, which are these values. We also use mean absolute percentage errors, which is also called MAP, which is the first formula at the top, and also mean square error or MSE, the second formula.
Hello doctor, I'm Shami Devi. So today I'm going to explain about the steps we used in our project. I'm going to explain the first step that we used in our project. So basically the first step is initial the prototype for MF are generated. So first prototype is the sample mean. So basically we will use t-test for 2 samples. In our case, we have 3 data samples, which is horror, action, and comedy. So for this, we have more than 2 samples. So we use ANOVA steps. Basically, ANOVA test is a way to find out if a survey or experiment results are significant. It also helps to figure out what we will need to reject the null hypothesis or accept the alternative hypothesis. First of all, we have to write down the null hypothesis and alternate. Then we have to calculate the degree of freedom to find out the critical value. For this, we have to know the K, which is the number of group, and N, capital N, the total number of element, and the alpha value. Followed by we need to calculate the mean and variance for each group and calculate the grand mean for the total group. Followed by we have to apply the NSB formula, which is total X value divided by the capital N. From this, can calculate the F test value, which is MSB and MSV. From overall the calculation, we can conclude the decision if F test is larger than the critical value, we can reject the null hypothesis. Otherwise, we can conclude the fail to reject null hypothesis. Based on this, we can draw a bell curve, and lastly, we construct the summary table. So as a conclusion, we implement this ANOVA test in our MATLAB program to find the differentiate between the group.
Okay, hi guys, my name is Aini Sophia. So today I want to explain to you about fuzzy inference system that we use to build membership function. So from here you can see that there are 2 membership functions. One is for revenue and one is for rating. As for revenue, we gain this data from movie dataset from Kaggle website, and here is the end result for revenue, and this is end result for rating. In order to build these 2 membership function, we use Mamdani fuzzy inference system, and through this model we use mean absolute percentage errors, which is MAPE. Here is the formula, and one more formula is mean squared error, which we use to measure the prediction of accuracy. Alright, so from here we can know there are several category in revenue: small, average, medium, good, very good, better, best, and excellent. And as for rating, there are poor, mediocre, average, decent, good, very good, and excellent, and super. From here we can see how the way this membership function being evaluated. So this is the result. Like here, graph of prediction and graph of data. So thank you.
Hi, my name is Titima and I will explain about the membership function formula. First, membership function. Fuzzy membership function capture the uncertainty of every linguistic term. Therefore, finding optimal partition of the input space, the shape of MS, and the coverage and the linguistic term associated with the MF are significant factors affecting the understandability of FLS. So, this is the formula for the membership function. We can see here the core of the center of a membership function is defined as the set of values whose membership degree is 1. This formula, and similarly the footprint or the support of the membership function is where this membership degree is greater than 0. Here, the core and the subjective of the membership function can be expressed by these 4 formulas. For the first and the third formula, the equation describe the left and right boundary of the core. First and third. See here, we can see left and right. The core. C stands for the core. And equation 2 and 4 describe the left and right footprint of the membership function. So here we use the formula for this formula to find the membership function. So our coding is at first it will plot the scattered graph, then it will calculate the mean, then it will calculate the test. After that, generate rules and generate membership function graph, and at the end it can do prediction on popularity of the movie. Based on our data, we can see that when the revenue is low, the popularity also low, and when the revenue is high, when is increased, the popularity also increase. So we can see here the blue one is disaster, the worst movie. Then after that is flop, like become more popular, interesting, average, then hit, super hit, blockbuster, and the most popular one is all-time blockbuster. We train the data using 3 and we can see that our accuracy is 98.5. It's quite accurate. Okay, for the simulation, we try the rating is void, like 0.5%, and revenue like 0.7%. So the category is in 0.62, means it's in a hit category. Their popularity is quite hit.